Hey, all you cool clams and cockles. Captain Meg here. I have what's known as a side hustle, another job, and I pet sit and house sit. And I'm really fortunate that I know some folks who have homes in amazing locations. And I wanted to share with y'all because the nature is very different here, but still an outstanding system. I'm in a little cabin that is surrounded by over 700,000 acres of national forest. It's in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and I've really enjoyed looking at the wildflowers and the mushrooms, the trees. So many things are different, and many things I can't identify, but I'm able to just enjoy the beauty of them. So no Wi-Fi out here in the wilderness, but I'll take some videos and post them so that y'all can see. Oh my gosh, look at that dragonfly coming in. Y'all can see what's going on. So just like the videos at home on the beach, I'm finding things like mushrooms, and I'll just film the mushroom for a while and give you a chance to take in a deep breath and have a good day. So I'm going to leave you with this incredible babbling brook. I've got my hammock set up right over it. And you know who is with me.